Today I'm going to be making raspberry and coconut ice blocks, the perfect summer recipe. So what you'll need for this recipe is 2 scoops of the Raspberry BCAA raspberries powder. You're going to need approximately 1 cup of coconut water. I'm going to use juice of half a lime, 1 cup of frozen raspberries, and half a cup of frozen coconut flesh. So what I'll need to do to make this recipe, it's super simple. Just chuck everything in the blender, blend it until it's really nice and smooth, and then I'm going to pour that mixture into my ice block molds and pop that in the freezer to set overnight. This is a great recipe to make with the kids and enjoy over the hot period this summer.